See, today we are going to start the chapter expansion. Though it is belongs to class 9, 8 and 9, but this chapter also belongs to class 11, named as binomial theorem. Binomial theorem. By means 2. Binomial theorem. You know expansion? Expansion means like a plus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? In lower class you have done. A plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Same process you tell. A plus b whole cube formula will be how much? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now same process can you tell a plus b whole to the power 4. See, if you follow the rhythm of expansion, then you can tell this is binomial. Two terms are there. Expansion. Binomial theorem will give the expansion of any number of power. But power may be more than 2, 3, 4 like that. A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here power of a decreasing. Power of a is 2. Here power 2. Our height 2 means power of a will be 2. First term is a, second term is b. Power of a decreasing 2, 1, 0. And power of b will increase. Power of b 0, 1, 2. Same process a plus b whole cube. Power of a will be 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. Power of b will be here 0, 1, power of b 2, power of b 3. Same process a plus b, this will be a4. And what will be the here? See, how it is coming 3? 1 plus 2, 3. It is coming here. Then 3 plus 1, this will be 4. Next power of a will be decreased, means 3 a cube b. Next it will be 3 plus 3. How much? 6. A square b square. Power of a is decreasing and power of b is increasing from 0 to onward. Next it will be 3 plus 1, how much? 4. 4 a b cube. And last it will be b to the power 4. B to the power 4. Okay. Same process, tell me. A plus b whole to the power 5. So first it will be a5. Next it will be 4 plus 1. 5 a to the power 4 b. Next it will be 4 plus 6 10 a cube b square. Next it will be 6 plus 4 10 a square b cube. Power of a decreasing, power of b increasing. And next it will be 4 plus 1 5 a b4. Next it will be b5. One more interesting thing you see here. In case of power 2, there are 3 terms are there in expansion. In case of power 3, the number of terms will be 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. If power is 4, number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more. If power is 5, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the power is n, then number of terms will be n plus 1. Okay. This is the technique you have applied here. And first element means a. Power of a is decreasing stepwise, and power of b increasing 0 to onwards. Okay. And height will be the power d cube. Here b4, here b5. And more interesting that in amplifier, see the power of a b total will be 5. Is power 5? Here 5. 4 plus 1 5. 3 plus 2 5, 2 plus 3 5, 1 plus 4 5, here also 5. Okay, next same process. A plus b whole to the power 6. Tell me, this will be a to the power 6. Next it will be 1 plus 5, 6, a to the power 5 b. Next it will be 5 plus 10, 15, a4 b square. Next it will be 10 plus 10, 20 a cube b cube. Next it will be 10 plus 5, 15 a square b4. Next it will be 5 plus 1 6 a b5. Last it will be b to the power 6. Total how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because power is 6, highest power is 6 means it will be a to the power 6. Next a5, a4, a3, a square, a to the power 1, a0. B power here, nothing means b to the 0, 1, b power 2, b power 3, b power 4, b power 5, b to the 6. Next I am going to number 6, that will be a plus b whole to the power 7. Same procedure will be, this will be a to the power 7. Next it will be 1 plus 6, 7, a, 6, b. Next it will be 6 plus 15, 22, a 5, b square. Next to 15 plus 20, 35, a 4, b cube. Next it will be 20 plus 15, 35, a cube, b 4, 15 plus 6, 21, a square, b 5, and next it will be 6 plus 1, 7, a, b 6, and last it will be b to the power 7. Okay, this is the way of expanding binomial theorem. Though we have done lower class, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole cube we have done in lower class up to class 9. But in class 11, that is binomial theorem, we will discuss more detail. Okay, just I am giving the technique how we are getting the coefficient. Here 1, here 3. 1 plus 3 means 4. 1 plus 3, this is coming 4 here. See, like this. And this is this 3 plus 6, like this. Again 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. Here you see 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 6, 10. Then 6 plus 4, 10. 4 plus 1 here, coefficient. How to get the coefficient? Here 1, here 5, 6 coming. Next it will be 5 plus 10, 15, then 10 plus 10, 20, then 10 plus 5, then 5 plus 1. Last one will be like that. Coefficient we have to, I am discussing about how to get coefficient. 1 plus 6, then 6 plus 15, 15 plus 20, 20 plus 15, then 15 plus 6, and last one 6 plus 1, that will be 10 here 7. This is the way of expanding any binomial theorem. This is the normal method. This is called triangle, law of triangle method. Okay. By the help of triangular space, I am getting the coefficient, power of A decreasing, power of B increasing, and number of terms should be one more than the power given. This is the basic idea of expansion which is present in binomial theorem. Next we will complete next one. I am writing the main formula of binomial theorem. Okay, A plus B may be any power. Up to 7, 8, 10 we can do normal method that I have discussed before. Suppose A plus B whole to the power n given, power is n. Okay, then this will be A to the power n, no doubt, A to the power n. First one will be A to the next, B to the 0, means not necessary to write. Next it will be NC1. I will tell what is NC1. NC1, A to the power n minus 1, B to the power 1. Next it will be NC2, A to the power n minus 2, B to the power 2. Next it will be NC3, just you have to memorize the order. NC3, NC3, A to the power n minus 3, B to the power 3. See, this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, and this is the fourth term. Next to fifth term will be how much? NC4, A to the power n minus 4, B4. Fourth term we are writing 5. Then fifth term we are writing NC4. Next it will be NC5. This is sixth term. A to the power n minus 5, B to the power 5. Okay. Dot dot. It will be last. It will be B to the power n. Suppose if you are interested to calculate n plus 1 term, n plus 1 tth term. This will what? But r plus 1 term. Just write r plus 1 term. Okay? R plus 1 term. R plus 1 term will be how much? NC R. Because 1 less. Fifth term is 4. Sixth term is 5. R plus 1 term is this will R. R a to the power n minus R. Just to see the reading. B to the power R. This is the called general term. Any term we can find using this is called general term. This one is called general term of a binomial expansion. General term. Now second term. Suppose you have to find out 10th term. 10th term will be how much? NC 9, a to the power n minus 9, b to the power 9. Suppose you have to find out 15th term. 15th term will be how much? NC 14, 1 dash, a to the power n minus 14, b to the power 14. Okay. This is the two examples given. This is the null term. And what is NC? This is NCR.